This is a second-hand Kubota U55-5 hydraulic crawler excavator. The Kubota U55-5 excavator is equipped with the original Kubota V2607-5 engine. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. Boom swing function. Power is 35.5 kilowatt. Excavator bucket and matching down clamp. Clean and amazing appearance. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,650 kilogram. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Widely used in construction and farm. Furrow tail swing. Good performance, very flexible.